Hello, my name is Kyle Cawley. I'm with Universal Roofing. We are at 3600 Devenwood Way in Beaufort, Georgia for the Bailey family. We are attempting to repair a shingle. We'll now show the shingle. And you can see the wind crease damage.
All right, so the first thing we're going to do, we're going to go ahead and loosen this shingle up, and then we'll start removing the fasteners that are holding the shingle down. So check the shingle, it's loose on the tab. That's good. All right, now we're going to start removing the fasteners. This is the damaged shingle we are replacing. We can see the crease right here. Here's the shingle we are replacing it with. All right. Now the next step is we're going to start fastening the new shingle down. Now, as we start this process, I just want to go ahead and iterate that in every shingle installation manual, it says that these nails have to be driven and nailed flush to the shingle. I just want to show you this is how far the actual shingle has to be raised in order for my hammer to get on the nail and drive it in flush. So we'll go ahead and get started. That one. I always want to show that we're not lifting the shingle any more than we have to. This concludes the repair. During the repair, you can see, so this is the new shingle right here. This is the tab that broke during the repair. Also, we can notate the amount of granules that the shingles lost down here in the pitch hopper during the repair also. Just look down right here. We're gonna see all those granules right there. So this repair has failed the attempt.